Although you might not give it much thought, your liver is constantly working hard to keep you active and healthy. When you don't take sufficient care, several complications and serious problems may develop. The digestion of food and the removal of toxins from the body are two of the liver's key roles. The foods you eat make up your body. Around the globe today, diseases of the liver are among the top 10 causes of death, with fatty liver disease appearing as a growing factor in liver damage. We could be harming our liver in numerous ways, such as drinking alcohol, taking too many medications, overdosing on food, and having a poor diet. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing 8 common foods that are killing your liver. Before we begin, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video to help get more views. Now let's begin. 1. Red meat. Saturated and monounsaturated fatty acids are key nutritional sources found in red meat. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease can be brought on by the liver's fatty acid accumulation. Red meat may be high in protein, but your liver has to work hard to digest it. The liver has a difficult time breaking down proteins, which can result in many liver-related problems. Additionally, an overabundance of protein in the liver can result in fatty liver disorders, which can harm the kidney and the brain. 2. Baked food items. Everybody enjoys eating cookies, muffins, and cakes. But are you aware of how they affect your liver negatively? Due to their fat content, bakery goods can also cause greater triglyceride levels in the body, which can cause many liver disorders. Furthermore, refined white flour is the main component of these items. White flour is difficult to digest and causes the liver to accumulate fat. 3. Alcohol. This is the first habit you should give up right away if you care about your liver. What happens if you drink too much alcohol? The chemical reaction that occurs during this process when your liver tries to break it down might harm its cells, causing inflammation, cell death, and scarring, which is also known as fibrosis. Additionally, long-term alcohol use might prevent nutrients from being absorbed, making the liver more toxic. Long-term excessive alcohol use causes liver cirrhosis, an irreversible scarring of the liver. 4. Soda. Drinking too much soda can cause the pancreas to work hard to constantly produce and release insulin, which can induce insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Additionally, excessive soft drink consumption can also lead to obesity and high blood pressure. Fatty liver disease is linked to all of these metabolic disorders. Aside from its contribution to linked risk factors, soda consumption alone seems to increase the likelihood of developing fatty liver disease. 5. Bacon. A particular fatty meat is bacon. Bacon strips contain marbled white fat, which is saturated fat, and a key cause of weight gain, metabolic disorders, and cardiovascular disease. This thus raises the risk of fatty liver disease. The health of the liver is negatively impacted by bacon and other processed meats. Salt and synthetic nitrates and nitrites, 2 preservatives added to bacon, are bad for your health. Bacon salt content contributes to high blood pressure, which frequently coexists with metabolic syndrome, fatty liver disease, and both. In addition to raising blood pressure, too much salt may contribute directly to liver damage. 6. Ice cream and full-fat dairy. Ice cream is a dairy product laden with added sugars and saturated fat, which contribute to fatty liver disease and associated risk factors. Metabolic syndrome, cardiovascular disease, fatty liver disease, and weight gain are all significantly influenced by excessive saturated fat consumption. Saturated fat affects how insulin works, causing insulin resistance and diabetes. Additionally, raising cholesterol and triglycerides, Excessive saturated fat consumption can cause arterial plaques to form and restrict blood flow. That's it for today, folks. If we left out any foods that are bad for the liver that you know of, kindly share them with us in the comments. Bye for now.